Hi guys, come to do this Wocesterbosch. Power's on, no display. Okay, we're gonna figure out what's going on with this now. So there's power onto it, but there's no display on there. Dead, completely dead. We've done the test now. We're gonna change the circuit board on this, yeah, and then we're gonna see what happens after that. And I know for the fact something has blown that board. So either it's the fan or the pump. But we're gonna have to diagnose that anyway. Let's see what happens on this.
बड़ा चना
I'm disconnecting the fan. Bismillah. Swimming se खोलिया से काल तू खोलिया से ना
मैंने से खोलिया से हाँ तो पिछू थलू खोलो ना पल्ले पासो बुल्ले पासो दो क्लिप माल बाव भी ना
क्या बाबा मुझे गली इश्किन की पाजी गला बोला हूँ
ऐसा कुछ जंगल साहब पीसी चेंज कर रहे हैं इसमें
ना बेसिक करना दिया ऐसा नहीं है कहीं ना इसकी चेंज भी से कहीं ना ये लोग क्यों नहीं दिखता इधर हमारा सारा बॉडी प्रेशर है
पत्तियाँ दो पर लाने लगा
That's it. And the board set.
सर में अमीन की पैसा है अमीन की
उसी में कुछ ऑप्शन की
हैं
ये एलन की कुछ ऑप्शन की
एलन की लगी है एलन की है ना पे थे सेट
Now to detach the circuit board from the plastic casing, we needed a very small Allen key. Unfortunately, it's something that I didn't carry with me. So sometimes when you don't have the tools, you gotta improvise. Which one to
Make sure like करो नाले सुगी पोटे लाइट है
Jabbar, you should know.
खोला इसने
ना उन्हीं पैसे नहीं की चल बाजी पैसे जैसा मर्जी है चल बाजी पे जैसा
बस
So guys, we've changed the circuit board in and we're going to be ready to test in a bit. Now if your board is broken down in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite bodies from Baxi, Biasi, Ideal, Wocesterbosch and many more. We also service them and offer landlord gas safety certificates. Guys, if you enjoyed the film, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. Right, this one's being tested now. It's all working fine. Luckily nothing else was wrong with it. Like the fan was fine as well. So it's all good. Right, and this one, it's an ideal ISA. I think it's the worst boiler ever made. But anyway, the central heating is working fine, but the hot water isn't. So being asked to sort it out. Sadly, it's not one of those parts that is commonly used. So I'm gonna have to go to a local part shop and just pick one up and come back and fit it in.
Can I turn this tap on yet?
Yeah, no, try the hot one. Try the hot one for me.
It was warm at the start.
Yeah, it's gonna pump through warm now. Yeah, it's coming through.
Getting a little bit warmer.
Okay, can you leave it on for a bit longer, please?
Yeah, sorry.
Let me know when the hot water is coming through. Right, guys, we've changed the diverter valve on it. It's very expensive. But anyway, we tested it out. It's all working fine. No more noise and the hot water is coming through. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Till next time, keep smiling, stay positive, and hopefully that'll keep you happy. Birmingham boiler fix.